outside. Outside, nigga. Fuck you looking at, nigga. I'll beat you. We outside for a while, you know. Summer's here, we're gonna keep giving you content, whether you like it or not. We here, summer's ours, you heard? And whether you like it or not, man, you're gonna see us everywhere, man. You know? That's what it is, man. That's just what it is. You know? Alright? Beware all day, man. You on Broadway. Yeah, hey. Heard the block is hot, so you know. We're in the hill, man. Big time. I mean, I'm not bothering nobody, man, so I'm gonna continue to do what I do, man. I hope none of y'all get offended, man. I do this for Rec, we don't do this for you, you know. We've been doing it. It's a lifestyle, you know. Every summer does this, you know. No está vecina. And God bless everyone, man. Hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend, man. You know? That's all. Yeah, man. Ain't getting nothing nowhere by hating, you heard? Don't hate, congratulate, you heard? It's us. What ain't that? Hope everybody, like I said, hope everybody's having a safe, blessed, wonderful weekend, you know, with yourself and your loved ones, man. Like I see, I'm with my loved ones, you know, that's what I love to do. You know?